Welcome. In front of me I have the XIAOMI 12T, and today I will show you how you can bypass the Google verification for this device. Now, to get started, you will need to do a couple things. Number one would be connect to network, so that's kind of why I'm going a little bit through the setup right here. And I'll also show you that the device is locked once I connect. And another thing that we'll need is a SIM card with a pin. So I have one prepared right over here. I also have a SIM card in the phone, which I will be taking out and replacing the one with the one that has a pin on it. Now, if you have just a SIM card without a pin, you could just put it into another device and then set up a pin on that other device and then pop it back in here and utilize it. Now, there we go. So you can see the phone right here is locked, and I could just draw the pattern to unlock it. Now, that's one of the ways. Another one would be by clicking on the use Google account instead and verifying the Google account that was previously logged in on this device. But assuming we don't know either of those, I'm just gonna bypass this. So anyway, I'm gonna back out just a little bit. Whatever, there we go. So I'm gonna lock it for now, just so I don't press anything. Take out a SIM card, or well, put in a SIM card technically. There we go. So what will happen is it gives me this page to just put in my SIM pin, which I will do, I think. Wait, let me check. Oh no, actually I don't even need to put it in, so we just need a pin, but we don't even need to use it. So the reason for that is when you put in a SIM card with a pin, it technically locks the device. So when I remove it now, the phone is still locked. Let me just kind of repeat this without trying to press the power button this time around. Oh, it locks it itself. Okay, never mind. So anyway, when you press the power button, it's still on a lock screen. So we can now pull down our notifications and press on this bell icon right here. Also, I can just take out the SIM card fully. And now what we will do is... Oh, I'll mention one more thing. For me, I just pulled down notifications and I had the bell icon, but this could have been just because I popped it in and back out twice, technically. For you, you might see like a notification show up. If you see that notification, then swipe that notification as well down, and then you will see the bell icon. But anyway, from here we're gonna navigate to apps and notifications, and then we're gonna go to YouTube all the way down, and then additional settings in the app, about, help, and then in the search help you want to type in delete or disable and manage applications on Android, so the second option at least for me. And now we're gonna tap on the first step, so tap to go to application settings, and then you want to select the more button and show system. This will add system applications to visible apps right here. Now, once you have the system apps, you want to start off by selecting Android setup and then select disable. I can't, so I'm going to just select force stop in this case. I'm going to go back. I'm looking if there is maybe another Android setup. Sometimes there are two, but it looks like this is the only one. So now we're going to go down to Google, what is it? Google Play Services. Oh, there we go, Google Play Services right over here. And here you want to select disable, disable app. If it closes it like it just did, find Google Play Services once more. And also select force stop and OK. Now, I'm gonna go back once more, and I'm gonna scroll even further down to settings. As you can see, we have two different settings right here. I believe the ones that we're looking for are the first ones. Yep, that's the one that we're looking for. And here you want to select open. Now if you open up the wrong one, it just won't have the open, so go back and choose the other settings. There we go. And here we're gonna now scroll down to additional settings. Then we're gonna go to accessibility right over here, and you want to select accessibility mini, enable it and allow, and select OK. Okay, so we got that going, and from here there we go. I did want to mute it just because it's going to be spamming this kind of like notification sound quite often, because it has no access to Google Play services. So there we go. But anyway, from here we're just going to now back out, which I guess we can't. So it looks like we need to reboot the device. So let's hold the power button and select reboot. There we go. Okay, so from here we're gonna just progress through the setup. Again, we're gonna stick with the internet connection. Let's go to the next page. It's gonna start looking for something. Then we will have the option for don't copy. There we go, don't copy. And now on this page, we will be stuck in a way, which is what we want. So there we go. As you can see, it's telling us checking for updates. Then it does like this flash frame of something that is under there and goes back for checking for updates. So what we want to do now is click on this accessibility menu, which we have enabled. You want to select the Google Assistant and select settings, which might appear right here, though not always. Even when you press on it, it doesn't always open up the settings. So you might need to repeat this several times, which is normal. Oh, and as you can see, it opens up the Google Play Services page. Right here in the middle, you have the enable button, which you want to press. So you want to just keep on spamming this till you manage to enable it. There we go. It did enable. Usually when it enables, it does stay open. So you would have to just go back once, but for me, I think I just managed to enable it and it still kind of closed it off. Anyway, it still worked. So if in your case, you still have it opened, when you enable it and you see the now disable button instead, just press the back button once. If you see this page like I do, then all you need to do is just press next, accept, and finish up the setup. So what happened right now is we kind of skipped the verification portion of the setup because it had no Google Play services. It just skipped it, and when we enabled it, it just decided, okay, we have Google Play services, let's go to the next page. So it just kind of decided to skip it for some stupid reason. Now, before you go clicking off the video, we are still not finished with the bypass, so just stay tuned. There is one more crucial step that we need to do to fully unlock it. But for that, we need access to our home screen. So just finish up the setup by skipping everything that you can. And once we see our home screen, you want to navigate into your settings. There we go, settings. Gonna now select About Phone, scroll down to Factory Reset, erase all data, Factory Reset. Now we need to wait the 10 seconds right here because Xiaomi thinks you're an absolute moron and decides to waste your time by letting you know 3 times that this removes everything. Now that's 20 seconds that you will never get back of your life, so sorry for that. But once you can press on that OK button, do so. This will perform a factory reset of the device. And by doing so, the phone itself will remove all the protection from it, so the Google account that was previously on this device, along with the pattern, will be completely removed by doing the reset through settings. This is the crucial last part, so just press on this, and that's about it. Now I'm not going to go over this on the video just because it will be a lot of black screen when the phone is resetting, and once it's finished, you are back in the setup screen of the phone. And at that point, you can set it up however you want. It will be fully unlocked, so do whatever you want. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.